Welcome back to another motivational video. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's list is mirrors and windows with maybe a little bit of cleaning in between. I also got some new things on walmart.com for my room, so I'm going to be adding that in as well. Thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of my video, and let's get to it. I ordered everything on walmart.com and it came within just a couple days. Delivery is always super fast with Walmart, and the home decor and the furniture is so good. So let's finish unboxing all of this stuff and I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I've been wanting something to put at the foot of our bed for the longest. So when I saw these, I immediately put them in my shopping cart. They also come in a really pretty olive color. I love that these are velvet, and I chose a neutral color because I like to move my home decor and furniture all around my home. And I also like to keep a pretty neutral bed with maybe some pops of warmer colors. So I found this really pretty lightweight quilt with the matching pillow shams. You guys will see this on my bed in a little bit. And mind you, when you order on walmart.com, you can choose to do a free pickup on the same day, or you can get it delivered on the same day depending on what time you order. The only thing that I got that's not going in my room is this rug. I love to switch out my rugs in the kitchen, and when I saw this print, I definitely added that to cart as well. It's by the brand My Texas House on walmart.com. I have seen lamps that look just like this that go for hundreds of dollars, and I love that this one is so affordable. This is the ceramic table lamp with an ivory pleated shade, which I love, and she's sturdy. It definitely feels like this could be more expensive. Can't wait to see how all of this looks in my room. I'm also going to be using some decor from around my house to add into my room, but first let's go ahead and throw the bedding in the wash machine and we'll see how all this stuff looks. I just washed our sheets and duvet cover, so that's good to go. I didn't make my bed up on purpose because I knew I was going to be putting this bedding on my bed. Now I'm just going to straighten up my sheets and fluff my pillows. This isn't your typical heavy quilt. This is a perfect little layering piece for your bed because it is so light and airy, but still provides a perfect amount of warmth, and the gauze material makes it look and feel so high-end. Okay, so these ottomans gave my room what it needed. It just instantly looks so much better just by adding those ottomans to the foot of our bed. And then I just layered this brown throw blanket on my bed just for some extra color and texture. And I love how my bed turned out. And my favorite thing is the quilt. So I might go back and get a twin size for my kids for their bed because the quilt is just so good, you guys. Last but not least, I'm adding my ceramic lamp to my desk. This is where I edit my videos and do my voiceovers, and I love a cozy feel and vibe. The desk is pretty small, but I don't need much on my desk anyway, so this is the perfect little addition. Thinking about hanging this picture up on the wall, so I just kind of propped it up to see how I like it. Once again, thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of my video. Be sure to check the description box for all the links. Like I said at the beginning of this video, on today's list is mirrors and windows, which is pretty easy because I'm just using one product and a couple of microfiber cloths to get it done, and it's not going to take long at all. So I also am going to be doing just a little bit of cleaning in between, but not much. So let this video be your reminder to dedicate at least 20 to 30 minutes out of your day to just get all of your windows and mirrors done, because sometimes you just need to get it done all at once.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by
So I got this artwork months and months ago, and I originally thought it was gonna go in the office downstairs, but now I'm thinking it might look good right above our bed. It's not too busy. I don't want anything too big or busy right above our bed because we do have those mirrors on each side. Just gonna prop it up on the bed and then stand back to see what it looks like. But obviously it's gonna be a little bit higher than where it's propped, but I kind of like it.
Don't run, don't hide, no. I'll do it right. We've got all night. I'll take you so high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move.
By the way, I'm using spray away glass cleaner to clean all the glass in today's video.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. I can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been so. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach, yeah, give me coach, nah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a ghost. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. Man, no be boss. See, Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, baby, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you.
So I originally came in the powder room to clean the mirror and the window, but then I saw the sink and then the floors, and I realized I haven't cleaned that in a while. So I'm gonna do like a mini deep clean in here, and I'm using the Method antibacterial all-purpose spray. I'm also gonna be using that same spray on the floors in here because I ran out of cleaner for my spray mop and I totally forgot about that. So all I did was put a clean mop head on and then sprayed the product all over the floor and just mopped it up. And this is such a quick and easy little hack for small spaces like this. I love oil diffusers and I'm just now getting back into it. I love that you can just switch up the scents whenever you want, and it's safer than using candles. Now don't get me wrong, I love my candles, but I also love a good oil diffuser. It just gives cozy vibes, especially at the end of the day after your kitchen is clean. This particular one comes with salt rocks, which I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of benefits that go along with that. I'm using peppermint today, and I just wanted to show you guys like what it looks like. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of this, especially like my nighttime routines. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.